The Mountz EZ-TorQ III torque analyzer makes torque testing easy and mobile from calibration labs to assembly stations. Regularly validating tooling calibration is essential for reducing errors in your assembly process and preventing product defects for all manufacturers. Highly portable and user-friendly, our battery-powered torque validation system can be carried directly to the assembly line to spot-check tools as part of a QA program or used at assembly stations for quick and easy torque tool validation and calibration, allowing operators and engineers to have maximum confidence in their tooling. The easy-to-use full-color touchscreen interface breaks down barriers and ensures quick and easy validation of varied torque ranges. Our conveniently sized torque analyzer with a built-in transducer is ideal for small hand screwdrivers, wrenches, and power tools within 1 to 300 inch-pounds of torque. If you would like more information about Mountz torque measurement solutions, request a consultation with one of our torque control experts today or visit us at mountzetorq.com to learn more.